Hello everyone, you're watching The Creator's Toolbox, hosted by Change the Narrative. This is episode 4. The guest for this week is Teresa.
The Creator's Toolbox ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Hosted by Change the Narrative. Hello everyone, I am Teresa Mary, currently studying in 2nd PU. So I am here to show the crafting things which can help you for your house decoration.
Now let's do a wall hanging. Take a round shaped cardboard and cover it with a paper. Now let's take a pieces of paper fold it like this and then cut it on. Stick it with the glue. And now let's stick this on the cardboard. Now take this different color papers and cut it in a round shape and then give this design. Let's stick this in the glue and then cover this cardboard. We can take these two colors for covering this cardboard. Now let's take another paper and cut it in a round shape and give a flower design. Let's make these 3 flowers and stick it in the middle. Now take those waste papers and cut it in a heart shape and then stick it around the flowers. now it's done.
I'm thankful for Change the Narrative for giving me such a wonderful opportunity.